Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for paper call marketers. In this episode, we're going to tell you the 3 reasons companies are switching to Ringba. So let's get started. More companies than ever are using Ringba to track their inbound call marketing campaigns. But what makes Ringba different from all the other platforms out there? Well, let's dive into it. Best-in-class customer support. The #1 reason people switch to Ringba? Our customer service. We're responsive, receptive to feedback, and are always here to help. When you speak, we listen and integrate quickly to build the features that will help you grow your business. We listen to feedback and make decisions based on what our clients actually need to be more successful. We're humble enough to know that we're not going to come up with every idea, and listen to our customers when they give us feedback so that we can continue to improve our platform in every way possible. Customer support tickets were supposed to make customer service better, faster, and more efficient. They didn't. That's precisely why we don't use them at Ringba. When you need help, you need it fast. Not only that, but your solution needs to come from someone who truly cares about your success and actually knows what they're doing. When you reach out to our team, you won't be waiting around for hours on end to receive a response, and it won't be from someone who doesn't understand your business. I'll let you in on a secret. At Ringba, our average first response time for customer support is less than 7 minutes, and 100% of our customer support team are experienced developers and software engineers. It should be a serious red flag if you find yourself waiting for days or weeks for a response to a question from your technology provider. If their support team isn't responsive, they probably won't be very helpful when something goes wrong and calls start dropping for no reason. Usage-based and pay-as-you-grow pricing. At Ringba, we don't do contracts, setup fees, support fees, bundled minutes, or overage fees, and we believe in fair pricing. Unlike other platforms, Ringba will never punish you for your success. We treat our clients like partners and never want to put our customers in a position that we wouldn't want to be in ourselves. Built for performance marketers. From the very beginning, we've structured our company to accommodate performance marketers in a way that is fundamentally unique from our competitors. The pay-per-call space is rapidly growing. Ringba is proud to run the world's largest community of pay-per-call professionals and can help you recruit affiliates and connect with reputable call buyers. To learn more about why the leading pay-per-call companies are switching to Ringba, visit our website at www.ringba.com to check out some of our case studies on the Ringba blog, or book a demo to talk with a Ringba account manager today. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.